Is your TCL Vidaa OS TV stuck on the logo screen? Don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step solutions that have helped thousands fix this exact issue. Let's kick things off with the simplest fix, a power cycle. It might sound basic, but it's surprisingly effective. Just unplug your TV directly from the wall outlet, not just with the remote. Wait a full 60 seconds. This lets any leftover charge drain out. Now plug it back in and power up. If that did the trick, awesome. If you're still seeing the logo, let's move on. Next is a factory reset. Remember, this will erase your TV settings, so only do it if the power cycle didn't work. Look for a small hole labeled Reset, usually near the HDMI or USB ports. Grab a paperclip or sim tool, press and hold in that hole for 15 to 20 seconds until your screen goes black or your TV reboots. Don't let go too early. When it restarts, you should hopefully get past the logo screen. If your TV turns on but then glitches or restarts, check your internet. Sometimes a weak Wi-Fi signal messes with the Vidaa OS. Try moving your router closer or use a wired connection if you can. Now make sure your Vidaa OS is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then About, then System Update, and check for updates. Updating can fix critical bugs that could be causing your issue. And if your TV supports it, turn on auto updates. If you're still stuck, try these last steps before calling in a pro. Use a different power outlet, switch to another Wi-Fi network for a bit, check for dust in the reset button, and unplug all external devices. One more power cycle after these never hurts. And that's it. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more fixes, and comment below with what worked for you. Good luck.